Here is how you can make your Memoji your wallpaper on your Apple Watch. So as you have your watch right here, make sure to hold down on the watch face like this so you get inside of the edit mode. Then what you can do is swipe like this or swipe all the way till the end until you get to this like new plus view. So tap on this to create a new one. And you can see, you can scroll through like all of the available options, like there are artists sections, and you essentially just scroll through to find what you like. Since we're interested in Memojis, we're gonna scroll through until the Memoji pops up. So just go like this, and after a while we have the Memoji right here. So I'm gonna click on add, and I can pick the characters right here. So I can just scroll through them like this, and I can find the one which I want, right? And I can just, you can see that there are so many of them available. If you go all the way to the top, you can choose all Memoji, and it's likely gonna like switch in between them randomly, right? And now when you go in here, you have this like Memoji page or stuff. You know, it kind of like changes animals, but yeah, that's how you can make it work. It kind of like moves and stuff like this, right? So it is quite possible to use it that way. So this is like fine and everything, but as you can see, there was no option to pick your actual own Memoji, like some person or someone, right? So for this, you're likely going to need to use or access the manual approach, right? So for that, you likely just need to set up an image through the iPhone to use it that way. So when you get inside of your Memojis, you can get inside in here, right? And one option would be, I'm going to use this, just an example. One option would be to take a screenshot of this page, then it's going to appear on your Apple Watch. You can crop it to remove some unwanted parts, and then you can set it up as your watch face like this. So you can add it in here, and right now you will have a custom like Memoji face showing up on your Apple Watch right here. But as you can see, it's not moving like the other ones. It's not set up in a way. It's just a still photo, right? So there isn't really that big of an effect, right? So that's kind of how it works. Obviously, you can also just set it up directly from the iPhone right here. So when you start a new one, you can also have like a different expression or something, right? So you can smile and take a screenshot of that, right? And this can be set up as the actual watch face, right? So there are some options, but as I say, it's not ideal as this is kind of limited by the Apple Watch and the operating system. So I'm showing you what works and how you could do it. So let me know down below in the comments if there's anything else that you would like to know or some tips you have. Hit the thumbs up if you like it, subscribe for more, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.